Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn with the new topic that is a React JS. So guys, we will be doing a responsive clean website using React hook. Okay. So as we have seen that we have already built an React JS responsive website that was using a React JS component. But now in this video we are going to start with the React hooks. So how we are going to design a website using React hooks. Okay. So guys, now let's install our React application. So if you don't know how to install, you can watch out this video fully detailedly. It is explained over here how much and what things we require for the React.js installation. And here is a small post. So the link is given in the description. And now guys, let's begin with the building a React.js responsive website. So yep, here is my fresh application and I have just given the npm start. Okay, and the application is running over here guys. Now let me just close all the files. So let's begin with set up the file where I don't want this app.css index.css files. Let's delete that unwanted codes and let's move to index, and from here remove your index.css, and let's create a simple called style.css or a custom styles.css. So basically we call as style.css itself. So let's keep in a root in the src folder itself and just import that. So import the style.css file. Done guys. So here your style.css comes. Whatever we require the css designing part we will be doing over here. Now let's get back. So let's create a folder called component, and inside this we required some images for slider and all. So let's set up that images, and for creating the pages we required a pages folder. And one more thing, another folder for includes, like your navbar is global and your footer part is also global, and WhatsApp notifications, everything, right? So you can just set up a separate folder for that known as inc. So inc basically we understand as includes only. Okay. So yep guys, now let's get to our app.js. So let's close all this index and style. We are on app.js. So first here you can find that no file is there. Let's remove this. So now guys, we don't require this logo also, so let's remove that. And here is the logo.svg file. We don't require, just delete that. And we don't need this also. Let's remove this. Here let's type welcome to React hook website design. Okay, and now begin with importing. Import React from React. All done. And now guys, let's see the output for this. So yep, let's refresh. Perfect. So now guys, let's set a clear page for this. Okay, so let's get back. Now let's move to our components, and here you find the pages, and inside these pages I want to create a home.js file, so which means home page. So you can start with import React from React and create a function with the name home function and export default home. Okay, and now let's return. Here you can end with semicolon also, and let's copy this and paste that in home. And now guys, let's call this page home.js file in our app.js file. Okay, let's call the path called import home from, where you're going to call it from components, pages and home. So you can start with dot. That means from the current root, let's go to component forward slash pages forward slash home. And let's copy this. Let me just zoom it. Home. Let's save. And now guys, let's see the output. Refresh. Perfect. So if you have a doubt, let's get back over here and welcome to React Hook home page. Save. Here you get. Done. So guys, in this video, that's it. We have learned about how to set up a React.js website designing file and created a home page. And now guys, let's see in the next video how to install the Bootstrap in our React.js application and start building with the navbar, footer and homepage designing format. Okay. So guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.